Annoyed by the Activate Windows watermark on your screen? You're not alone. Millions of users face Windows activation problems every year. But here's the good news. You can fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the easiest and safest ways to solve Windows activation problems step by step. First, let's check if your copy of Windows is genuine. Go to Start, Settings, Update and Security. Activation. Here you'll see whether Windows is activated with a digital license or if it says Windows not activated. If it's activated, you're good. If not, let's fix it. Windows 10 and 11 both come with a built-in troubleshooter. Click on Troubleshoot under the activation settings. This tool automatically detects issues, like hardware changes, license mismatches, or missing product keys, and tries to fix them for you. In many cases, this alone solves the problem. If the troubleshooter doesn't work, it's time to re-enter your product key. Click Change Product Key and enter the 25-character key you received when you purchased Windows. You'll usually find it in your confirmation email, on the packaging, or inside your Microsoft account under Order History. Once entered, Windows should activate instantly. Still not working? In 2025, Microsoft made it easier with digital licenses linked to your account. Just sign in with the Microsoft account you used to buy Windows, and it should sync automatically. This is super helpful if you recently changed your PC's motherboard or hard drive, since hardware changes often confuse Windows licensing. If none of these steps work, don't worry. You can chat directly with Microsoft support. Go to support.microsoft.com, select activation issues, and an agent can re-verify your license. They'll either fix it remotely or provide you with a replacement key if eligible. And that's it. No more annoying Activate Windows watermark. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more tech fixes, and let me know in the comments which step worked for you.